Hey guys, Got Level here, and today we're going to be talking about Twitch subscriber badges.
Just like the street lights lit.
Subscriber badges are a little icon that will appear next to your name when you're talking in chat if you're subscribed to this channel. The default badge is usually a purple square with a white star in it, and previously only partners were able to customize those badges, meaning that they would not only get a customized badge, but the badge would change depending on how long the viewer has been subscribed to this channel. Well, the good news is that about a month ago, Twitch announced that they would make this option available for affiliates. So this is no longer just a partner privilege. Now, if you're an affiliate, which most of my viewers are, you are stuck at 4 badges. One for the first sub, one for 3 months, one for 6 months, and one for 1 year. But if you're a partner, you can get up to 11 badges, and it goes as far as 8 years. Now, I'm not gonna make a step-by-step tutorial on how to make custom badges because I try to stay away from Photoshop tutorials, but also because I already have a tutorial on how to make emotes, and the process is pretty much the same. The only thing that changes is the requirements. So somewhere top right corner of your screen, you're gonna see an eye. Click on it to watch the how to make custom emotes video. So what are the requirements for custom badges? Now, the different sizes that you have to upload them to, it's kind of like the emotes. You still need 3 sizes, but they're different. Obviously, your image has to be a square. So the first size is going to be 72 pixel. Second size is going to be 36 pixel, and then the smallest size is going to be 18 pixels. Of course, that means 72 by 72, 36 by 36, and 18 by 18. The images have to be in a PNG format. The image must have transparent backgrounds. The size cannot exceed 25 kilobytes, and of course, the image has to comply to the TOS. And finally, the last question would be, where do I upload them if I get them done? So of course, you're gonna make sure you're logged in with your account. You're gonna go up here. You're gonna go to dashboard. Then you're gonna click all the way down to affiliate and partner. And right under subscriptions, you will see loyalty badges. And this is where the magic happens. So you can select the first one, upload your images, the second one, upload your images. And once they're uploaded and approved, they will appear right here. Now let's talk about ideas for your sub badges. I have a lot of affiliated asking me, oh, what should I put my sub badges? Honestly, I don't think that sub badges are as important as emotes. For example, like you don't need to have the same kind of research, the same kind of thinking, because your emotes will be spammed everywhere else. So you need to make it so that people will want to subscribe to get your emotes. But your sub badges will only appear in your chat. But anyways, if we're talking about basics, the normal grade system for ranks in video games is bronze, silver, gold, diamond. So if you can fit that in a square, upload it as your sub badge, that's perfect. Candy, different types of candies. It doesn't necessarily have to be something that gets more complicated or necessarily shows that you're leveling up. It has to be something that kind of matches your stream and what happens there. For example, I'm gonna use my own face to make my sub badges. I'm just gonna start with a normal face that get increasingly surprised. Cute animals, you can start with a small animal to end with a, I don't know, a panda, an elephant, or whatever, dinosaur. My good friend Viking Trash has her sub badges, and they are different types of swords, and it ends with like this huge battle axe that has wings, and it's awesome. You can do glasses. It can start with a shot glass and it ends with a pint glass. You can do a sport theme with different types of balls. You can do army decorations. You can do video game controllers from old to the more recent ones. You can make it weapon theme. I believe in Fortnite there are different classes for weapons and the colors that match with them. The purple, I've seen blue, there's a gold and a green. So you can base it off of that. Just use your imagination and make it really fit to kind of your personality and your stream and what people would kind of expect to see in a channel like yours. I'm gonna leave some links in the description to my other video on how to make emotes, because it's the same technique for making sub badges and it's the easiest way possible. It does show you how to do it with Photoshop, but also without Photoshop. I got a bunch of comments saying, too bad I don't have Photoshop. And I'm like, oh, too bad you didn't watch the video. Anyways, guys, if you want to talk, you can shoot me a message at level_photo on Twitter, or you can follow my Twitch channel, that is twitch.tv/getlevel. You can also go to gumroad.com/getlevel if you're looking for some dope overlays to make your streams look good. And that's it for me. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Get Level out.